Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 Playing with Numbers. In that, topic name is Highest Common Factor, shortly HCF, or we call it as Greatest Common Divisor. Okay, let us discuss some problems in this. First of all, how to find the common factors. I just want to explain this concept by taking examples. So, consider any two numbers. Consider two composite numbers. Two composite numbers I'm taking that are 8 and 12. What I taken? 8 and 12. These two are composite numbers. Factors of 8. Factors of 8. That is equals to, means if a number is exactly divisible by another number, that another number is called a factor of that number. Means what are the factors of 8? For example, 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, and reverse, 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8. Okay, so we can write the factors of 8 are 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8. Is it clear? 1 8s are 8 and reverse, 8 1s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8. So 1 2 4 8, these are the factors of 8. In the same manner, what are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 means like that, 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, and ulta reverse lo vaste 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. So the factors of 12 are 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 12. Okay, so in this we just to find out the common factors. ఇందులో కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. అంటే కామన్ అంటే అందులో ఉండాలి, ఇందులో ఉండాలి. సో 1 is a common factor for both 8 and 12, and 2 also common factor, and 4 also common factor to both numbers. Okay, now clearly the common factors of 8 and 12, 8 and 12 are 1 comma 2 comma 4. ఇందులో highest common factor ఏంటి? Highest common factor is 4. Okay na? So that is what the highest common factor of, you can find like this. Okay, so now let us discuss one more example. Find the HCF of HCF. HCF means highest common factor of 12 comma 16 and 28. Okay, find the HCF 12 comma 16 and 28. See its solution. I am choosing prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Okay, prime factorization method. In this method we must use only prime numbers. Okay, first of all I am taking 12. So I am using prime numbers. 2 6 are 12, again 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3. So clearly we used prime numbers. The next one 16, 2 8s are 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. Is it clear? 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and 28 also. 2 14s are 28, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. So now I am finding the HCF of these three numbers. You observe carefully. Thus 12 is equals to, we can express it as 2 into 2 into 3, and 16 is equals to, we can express it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 28 is equals to, we can express it as 2 into 2 into 7. You just find the common factors for the three numbers 12, 16 and 28. Just make it as a round. 2 is common for both three numbers. Here also 2 is common for these three numbers. Here 3, but in these two cases there is no 3. Here 2, but in these two cases there is no 2. Here 7, in these two cases here there is no. So clearly which is common? 2 is common. So therefore the HCF, the highest common factor of 12, 16 and 28 is equals to, ఈ గ్రూప్ నుంచి you consider one number, one factor. From this group also you consider one number. That is what are 2 2s are 4. The HCF of these three numbers is what, Nana? That is 4. Is it clear? So like this we can find the HCF of numbers by using prime factorization method. Is it okay for you? Now again I just want to explain another method, that is HCF by continued division method. Okay, now HCF, highest common factor by continued division method. Okay, HCF by continued division method. This method is invented by a great Greek mathematician Euclid. Okay, now this method is invented by this method of division. This method of division was invented by the great Greek mathematician Euclid. Okay, Namma? This method of division was invented by the great Greek mathematician Euclid. Okay, Namma? So in this method, first of all we should divide a bigger number. First of all we have to choose two numbers that given, for example, given two numbers, you must divide it by the bigger number with the smaller number. If they given three numbers, out of three you choose first two numbers, you just divide the bigger number with the smaller number. Okay, now the procedure is I just want to explain by taking example. I'm taking an example. Find the HCF of. Example. Find the HCF of 28 comma 35 and 49 by continued division method. Okay. See, my dears, that here we taken three numbers that are 28, 35 and 49. Okay, na? So first of all, you take given numbers. Given numbers are 28 comma 35 and 49. Okay, 28 comma 35 and 49. These are the three given numbers. In these, first of all, you take the first two smallest numbers compared to 49. These two are smallest numbers now. The HCF, first of all, the HCF of 28 comma 35. ఈ రెండింటికి HCF find out చేస్తున్నాం. So and out of these two, 35 is the bigger number and 28 is the smaller number. I am dividing 35 with the 28. Now clearly 35 is a dividend. 35 is what, Nana? This is a dividend and 28 is a divisor. By reading 28 table, 28 ones are 28. Because of 28 twos means 35 ni cross avutundi. Okay, 28 ones are 28. 35 minus 28 means we get that is 7. Clearly 1 is the quotient, 7 is the remainder. 7 is what, Nana? Remainder. Now this 7 act as a divisor. This 7, the remainder 7 em avutundi ikkada. The remainder 7 act as a divisor. The divisor 28 act as a dividend. Is it clear, my dears? Remainder 7 act as a divisor and the divisor 28 it act as a dividend. Now again continue your division. By reading 7 table, we get 7 4s are 28. Okay, so remainder is 0. This is the HCF, highest common. Last divisor what, Nana? Ikkada last divisor enti 7. The HCF of 28 comma 35. HCF of 28 comma 35 is what, that is 7. Again, now you take the HCF of, in case 2, the HCF of 7 comma 49. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్లో ఏం చేసుకోవాలి, ఇక్కడ ఈ టూ నెంబర్స్ని HCF ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే ఐ గెట్ దట్ ఈస్ 7. ఈ 7కి ఇక్కడ మిగిలిపోయిన 49 థర్డ్ నెంబర్ ఉంది కదా, దేనికి HCF ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్. ఐఎమ్ డివైడింగ్ విత్ 7. ఓకే, 7 7s are 49. So remainder is 0. So this is the last divisor and this is the first divisor. Clearly, therefore we can say that the HCF, highest common factor of 28 comma 35 and 49 is, that is what, 7. Like this we can find the HCF, highest common factor or greatest common divisor of numbers, by using prime factorization method or by finding the common factors or by using continued division method. Okay, now you to take the different numbers and use these methods and find their highest common factor. Okay students, thank you.